Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Close CRM call outcomes and disposition codes, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by accessing your Close CRM account. Log in using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the calls section in the main dashboard. Locate the call you wish to verify. Click on the call entry to open the detailed view. In the call details, observe the recorded outcome of the call. Check for any notes or comments that have been added during the call. To verify the outcome, compare it with the set disposition codes. Disposition codes are typically listed in the system's help section. Take note of any discrepancies between the recorded outcome and the disposition codes. If a correction is necessary, look for the edit or update option in the call details. Select the appropriate disposition code that accurately reflects the outcome. After selecting the correct code, add any additional notes if needed. Once you've made the changes, save your updates. Review the updated call details to ensure the information is accurate. If needed, repeat the process for any other calls that require verification. After verifying the outcomes for all selected calls, proceed to analyze the results for trends. Use this analysis to improve future call strategies. Finally, ensure all team members are aware of the correct use of disposition codes for consistency in reporting. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.